Hey, it's Biddy Penny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a show us your craft cart, but I don't have one. So spoiler alert, this is a shelf. This is a micro tour of my craft space. How about that? Helen over at Crafty Mama Diaries tagged me. Hey Helen, I'm honored to be tagged, but yeah, I don't have a craft cart. So I'm going to just show you this instead. I'm going to show you all my workhorses, like my big kick right here that I've had for 5 years since I started card making. It's been awesome and fine. Um, let's see. I've got my stamp positioning tool, my cutting plates, my stamp cleaner, a small scoreboard, and more cutting plates and accessories for die cutting. Yep, that's what's in this box. This is starting off so exciting, huh, guys? And then my sidekick plates. Woohoo! All right, over here, my supplies I use all the time, my water brushes. And this cozy was made by Crazy Paper Chick. She's not only an amazing card maker, but she sews and does embroidery. And this little caddy holds all my water brushes, and it's a caddy from the Dollar Tree. This is a terracotta pot, and it has all my paintbrushes in it. I'd like to keep things separated because then it's easier for me to find things. Then I have two more of these metal containers, and they have things like my stamp positioning tool magnets, all kinds of tools. This one here has like my micron pens, my gel pens. I don't know why that paintbrush is there, but whatever. Yeah, so my craft room is not a Cadillac. My craft room is like a Nissan Altima. Yeah, she's very dependable. She starts every time I get in her. She's, so functional, but not a caddy. All right, this caddy has my tools, as I said before, my spatulas, my needle nose pliers, just everything. And then here are my mushroom boxes. This is only a small portion. My other ones are somewhere else. I don't know, they might be on vacation. I use these so much, but these are like the little plastic boxes that mushrooms come in when you're grocery shopping. And I bring them to my craft room because they hold paper scraps like this beautifully. All right. I recently got this deckled edge trimmer. I don't know. I kind of immediately wanted to send it back, to be honest, just because it's so loud when I cut with it. But look at those edges. I don't know, guys. I kind of want to send it back. I don't know how to do that, though, so it'll probably just gather dust in my craft room. All right, an ornament that needs to be fixed. My daughter brought me this after Christmas. That ballerina needs to be put back on point, so I'll be doing that. All right, I just got this, and I want to keep all your addresses in it. So send me a card, go to my About section. You can see my P.O. box. If I get your address, I'm going to put it on this Rolodex because I like to send Happy Mail. And then I can pick some little YouTube friends, and I can pick my Etsy friends and send them cards. There is something that's important to me, which is my faith, my rock, my salvation, and dies. Woo, girl. Can you say consumer? Anyways, these are all organized by Craft Company, and Lawn Fawn takes the cake, man. But I've got Hero Arts, MFT, you name it, it's in there. This is like my miscellaneous, and then this one belongs to two companies. This is Spellbinders at the front. Yes, and I'm over the guilt. I've put myself through guilt for a long time now. That's Stampin' Up back there. I am trying to destash. I am trying to be less of a consumer and more of a creator. I'm working on it. I'm a work in progress. All right, my Ganzi Tambai Kiritaki. I don't know. My amazing watercolors that I love so much. And they are so creamy and so awesome. And I had them tucked away in a different spot in my craft room. And I was like, these are my favorite watercolors and I never use them. Maybe I should put them somewhere else where I will use them. So they have a new home and it's right here. All right, re-inkers. Yeah, this is why I don't need to buy more ink pads unless they have a specific use, because this is all Distress Oxide ink refills, and then I've got some Stampin' Up and some other miscellaneous Lawn Fawn MFT, but I've got enough ink to cover a small village, wouldn't you say? And then I have embossing powders and Nuvo drops, but I didn't take y'all through that today because I'm sure this would be long enough. My workhorse paper trimmer. This is my iPad. Wow. Yeah, I listen to Audible while I craft, so that's where I put that. I put on a book and craft away. All right, card bases. I refill this each month, and that's where I keep them, right at my side, attached at the hip. And then also these, my card fronts, which are cut at 4 by 5 1/4, because that's how I like it. My daughter has been in my craft room making amazing cards. I will show y'all these if I ever make cards with those same supplies. And some watercolor pencils, and then these palettes, which you see me use all the time because they're right here. I can get to them easily. They're just at my hip. They're right there. That's why I moved my other watercolors over. And there's more watercolors in that black palette, but we don't need to go there. All right, a lot of unorganized paper. It's exactly what you wanted to see. This is why you clicked on the video, right? All right, this box has like acetate and a bunch of random cardstock. Yeah, Bristol, which I never use because it just seems so inconvenient in my head. That's just me. And then my acetate, which I'm pulling a lot more from these days, making my acetate cards, thanks to Call Me Crafty Owl. And then these are workhorses. All right, this is Spring Hill Digital. It works great for the kind of watercoloring that you guys see me do on cards. This makes a great card base. This is what my card fronts are made out of. I've been using this for 4 years and I love it. Recently found this one, makes amazing card bases. Super heavy. In fact, if you don't like them that heavy, you might go for this one that I'm pulling out now. It's a little bit lighter. Still a very heavy, nice card base, and you actually get more sheets in this ream, so that's kind of fun. These papers are incredible. They are so good. I love them. Highly recommend them, and very affordable, which I love. All right, another random box of paper, but this is mostly watercolor paper, a little bit of specialty paper, and then some more random sheets of scrapbook paper. This whole area really needs to be fixed, but I was tagged a week ago, so I'm just trying to make this happen. Does someone like embossing? Yes, I'm raising my hand. I love embossing so much. It's like one of my favorite things. So I don't even feel bad about this huge box of embossing folders. I pull from it all the time. Love it, love it. A couple of random reams of paper I don't know what to do with. I just don't like them that much, but those were once trees, so I can't throw them away. I just have to figure out what to do with it. All right, moving on. This is a box of gems. And it's fun. I don't know. It's easy. If I need something sparkly, I can grab it. And here's one of enamel dots. Also fun and sparkly. All in one place. Yay! My husband was going to throw out a couple of those plastic VHS tape holders, and I was like, no, I need those for my craft room. And he just laughed. Another box of random paper. Yay, so exciting. I probably should have shown y'all something different for the end of this, but that's okay. That's okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this craft cart tour that's not a cart. And I do have a little something extra for you here. I have been saving my empties. This is something you don't see in card making very often, but you'll see it like in cosmetic videos and stuff. People save their empties. Well, these are my empties from 1 month. I go through a ton of tape. So much tape, you guys. So this used to be double-sided foam tape, all gone. 1/8 inch double stick tape, gone. A Spellbinders thing, done. Washi tape, gone. Yay. Yay, yay. I finished a spool of thread. Woohoo! But now I really want another one. It's a metallic gold that I got from Hobby Lobby. 100% used on cards. Love it. I went through 6 paper pads, and now I'm patting myself on the back. Yes, in 1 month, I am smashing my stash, you guys. You know, some is old, some is new. Like this is obviously a new one. These others are old. 3 of the paper pads, you won't see like a front for it in this box, but I'm telling you, I did it. All right. I went through so much foam tape. These were sticker sheets. So many stickers that month. I sent a whole book of cards. Happy Mail. More stickers. A whole pack of ephemera. I did it. Another package of stickers from the Dollar Tree. Gone. A whole bunch of Stampin' Dimensionals. Gone. Now, those weren't all 100% filled. Some of them needed to be used up. Then another pack of ephemera, done. Another pack of ephemera, done. Completely 100% gone. And then I think these last 2 were like Spellbinders kit embellishments that I finished off. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was lots of fun. I'm sorry it was shaky. I'm a one-woman operation around here. Definitely go check out Crafty Mama Diaries. She has a craft cart and it's amazing. I'll leave the link below. Bye. Thanks so much for watching.